Okay, so welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title, I am back with another Amazon Prime hair video. I got a few requests on my last Amazon video for some of you guys wanting a curly unit, so I went out and found one. And the crazy thing is, when I came across this hair company, I was searching for reviews for them on YouTube, and one of my favorite YouTubers that I'm subscribed to, I Am Beautiful Hustler TV, she actually reviewed a different type of curly wig from this same exact hair company on Amazon probably like a year ago. So that made me a little bit more comfortable with my purchase for this particular wig. Of course, I read the reviews for it, and you know, Amazon can be a hit or a miss, but you're never gonna know what something is really like unless you try it for yourself. So here is me trying this unit for you guys. I did wet the hair. I guess I didn't saturate it enough because this hair, number one, it dried very quickly, and then it actually got a lot bigger. As you guys can see, it definitely fluffed out nicely. The ends could use a little bit more moisture on them because they are a little bit dry, but for the most part, yeah, the hair dried really quickly, which that's always a good thing, but it just kind of poofed up. Now, this wig is 180% density. I would definitely say it's true to its density. It's very thick and full. Like I said, I think I'm going to put just a little bit more water on it. And another thing that could be the reason why it got so big again is because I'm just solely using nothing but water on the hair. If I were to go in with probably like maybe some Eco Styler gel or my normal like curly hair products, that would definitely help define the curls even more. But I just kind of like to show you guys how the hair reacts just with waters for my curly hair videos, just so you can get an idea if it's necessary or not, or how well the curls pop with no product at all. Just water. And this is what the hair is looking like. I think the curl pattern on this hair is actually very beautiful. Very beautiful. You can see a little bit of the wig right here. I guess I need to do a little bit better job at covering that up. This is what the parting space is looking like, a 5x5, so you have more than enough space to do whatever it is that you want to do to a house. The length that I got this wig in is 24 inches, but it honestly looks just a little bit longer than a 26 inch. I'm 5'8", so I'm tall, so normally 24-inch curly hair doesn't come down this far. So, I mean, that's not a bad thing. I'm just saying that it looks a little bit longer than a 24. I don't know, maybe they might have sent me a 26 on accident because that's more of what it's looking like, but I know that I did select 24-inch. And then price-wise, is hitting right at that like $200 mark, which is what most of the wigs that I've been finding are. Now, there are some wigs on Amazon that are a little bit more than $200. They're not always going to be $200, you guys. Sometimes the words affordable and good quality do not always go together in the same sentence, so sometimes you have to pay a little bit more, but essentially it's a little bit more affordable than what the normal you know, official hair companies would charge. Shipping wise, this is Amazon Prime eligible, of course. Now, this particular hair company, I got the hair literally the next day. Days is pretty fast, but for me to get it next day was awesome. It did also say that this wig is pre-plucked. It was pre-plucked. I can definitely say that. I did go in and pluck like the slightest bit of hair from the hairline, but as you can see, I didn't go in and pluck too much. You guys want to see a close-up of what the lace is looking like. The wig fits me really, really good. I could have just honestly left it as is, but just for video purposes, I did go ahead and use a little bit of adhesive. Now, you don't get to choose the cap size. I'm going to see if it comes in a standard cap size, because most of the times when you don't get to choose, then it does. See, okay, it says the cap size is 21 through 22.5 inch, which they consider that to be a medium size. So I would say that's pretty true, because I did utilize the adjustable straps that are in the back of the wig to tighten it to get it to fit to my liking. So I would say if you wear a size medium wig cap, then you should be just fine. Anything bigger than that, I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't think so, because then that means I would have extra room in the cap, and I think that it's pretty accurate when it says it's a medium cap size, but it still was able to fit me being a small cap size. So if you're wanting to know what I did to this wig, my usual routine, I did go in and customize this wig. I bleached the knots on the lace, and then I also, like I said, barely plucked just a tiny bit of the hair out, and you know, washed it, let it air dry, and all of that good stuff. If you guys would like to see my video on how it is that I customize my closures, I will go ahead and link that down below in my description box. And then let me gather the little two pieces of hair that I got while I was raking my fingers through the hair and putting the water in it. This is all I got. in terms of shedding. And honestly, this is not bad for shedding. Now it's curly hair, so yes, it's going to shed. It might even shed a little bit more than this, but I was very surprised that this is all the hair that came out. Yeah, shedding, not so bad. Tangling, it might tangle here or there. I kind of have to just keep wearing it to see, but so far so good. Maybe a snag here or there I got, but nothing like too crazy. I am going to do an update video. I'm going to do like a deep wave wig transformation. A lot of you guys ask me quite a bit on my curly hair videos, well, can you straighten the hair? Have you tried to straighten it? I always tell you guys, no, I don't believe in putting heat on curly hair, except for like the roots and stuff. But I'm like, why do people get curly wigs just to straighten them? But going to transform this wig in my updated review just to see how it reacts and responds, because a young lady did leave a very interesting comment, and she said that she buys curly you know, I don't know if she said bundles or wigs, because she said when she straightens it, then it mimics her natural hair. So I'm going to kind of see what that would look like. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned for like my 1 or 2 month update, because I definitely will be blowing this hair out and straightening it, maybe throwing some curls in it or something, basically taking it out of its natural state and seeing how it reacts. All right, so that is it for this video. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch it. Check the description box if you want the information on this hair, including the link to it. I just got it recently, so the link and everything is fine. It's still in stock and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.